In this video, we will implement hashing using chaining. So I will start a new project and I will call it as chaining, and it is using C language program. Okay, create this project. For implementing chaining, we require linked list. So we have already written programs for linked list. So I will copy the required code for implementing linked list like insert and delete and search. So I'll create a new header file, and this header file I will call it as chains. Now inside this header file I will copy the code for linked list. So here I will paste the code for linked list. There's a node structure with the data and the next pointer, and insert, this is sorted insert because as I told you that we can insert the element in the sorted order, so that's easy for insertion searching purpose. So this is sorted insert, and then this is searching for a key element. Now the sorted insert will take a pointer to a pointer. So we will see this one now. Let us come back to the main function. So in the main function, I should have a hash table. So hash table is a structure node array of pointers. So let us take the size as 10. So I have an hash table of size 10. This hash table should be initialized. So for that, I will use for loop and it will initialize this one. I is less than 10. I plus plus hash table of I is equal to null, is assigned with null. Now hash table is ready. Now we should have a function for inserting in a hash table. So let us write a function that is insert in a hash table. So for inserting in a hash table, it should take a parameter that is hash table. So the same thing, struct node star, and let us call it as h. It's an array of pointers and the key to be inserted. Now insert function need hash code. So for that I will write a function called hash which takes a key, and here it returns key mod size. Size is 10. Directly I am writing size 10 this time. I have not taken a symbolic constant. Now this insert function should insert an element at given index. So I should get the index from hash function by sending a key. Now inside an array of chains that is at a given index, I should perform insert. So I will call a function that is sorted insert, and I should send the address of this location, that is address, and the key that I want to insert. That's all. This should insert an element at a given index. Sorted index function is already there in a linked list. Now here inside the main function, I will perform insert. I will send hash table, comma, key is 12. Then I will insert one more element with the same index. So let us see whether it will insert in that same chain or not. Insert hash table, and the value is 42. Now I'll put a breakpoint here and then run it. Yes, it has executed. Let us check hash table. This is second index. Yes, it is having value 12. The next the value is 22. And the next the value is, okay, two values are inserted. Okay, 42 is not yet inserted because I have stopped at 42. If I continue execution, then 42 will also be inserted. 12, 22 and 42, if you look into this debug area, you can find it. So this is about insert. Now let us perform search also and confirm it. I'll call a function search. So for that I need a temporary pointer for a node because it returns a node structure. Struct node star. I'll take a variable like pointer temp. So temp assign call function search by passing hash table of hash function of key, whatever the value written by that hash function, we will send it that index and also the key. So now here I will print percentile D and the value is tempcaps data. So here key value that I will give it as 22. Let us run and see. Yeah, this is also 22. This is an error. So I'll send the hash table index of 22 and the key that I want to search in that particular place. Yes, it is found. If I give any other key like say 21 which is not present, then I should get an error here because I am trying to access its data where there is no such node. So I should get an error. Yes, I got a runtime error because 21 is not present, so it will go to index 1 and there it is null, so null's data is giving an error. So that's it. I have implemented only insert and search. So if you want, you can implement delete also. This was just a demonstration program for hashing. Now the applications of hashing are very vast. They are used at many places to reduce the time taken for searching. So that's all in this video.